There's a quote I heard a while ago. Higher education must foster ethics and support students to be better and more capable citizens with greater awareness of their civic and environmental responsibilities. And even though we're experiencing greater resource depletion, I don't hear much about it in my studies. I recently heard that the science building would be torn down, and there were some questions around it. As, for example, how could demolition be preferred over renovation? I think that it would be nice if there was a committee to answer both those questions and to also represent the students and staff's perspectives into the decision making process. As to what should we do now, I think that we need to act fast, and this seems like the right place to start with it.